Hey guys, Matt Smallbone with Forest River, Georgetown. I'm going to show you how the dash works and how simple it is. So up front, you're going to see that this is going to be your main control panel here. To get here, all you do is just press this home button, and this will take you to your home screen. This does have Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto equipped on it. There's two ways you can access that. You actually will have a USB hookup down here where you can plug in, and then you can access the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. This also does have the wireless Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto in it. So right now, I have my phone set up to it, and it is wireless. So if you have your phone set up through the Bluetooth, all you gotta do is just press this Apple CarPlay button. That'll bring up your main page for your Apple CarPlay. Really nice because all of your maps, any type of music, your phone, messages, everything's gonna be built right there. To go back to the home page, you could also access the radio, Sirius XM here, and then Bluetooth, like I had mentioned. If you wanted to plug a USB in, you could as well. And then something that's really cool too about our dash is that it's actually hooked up to our cameras as well. So you will see as I press the right blinker, the right camera is activated there. And then as I press the left blinker, you'll see that the left camera is activated there too. And you can see it's out at an angle, so you can see about 2 to 3 lanes of traffic when going down the road. This also does have a rear backup camera in it as well. So all you have to do is just access that, put it in rear drive, and you will see what's behind you. There is also a way to set up where you have that camera always on in the back too. So if you're towing something behind you, you can always have eyes on that. So very simple to operate, very straightforward, and very easy to use.